This is a walk around and operation video for a 2014 Bobcat S650 skid steer. It's similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. This unit is $38,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It's located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. This unit has a 74 horsepower diesel engine with 3,390 hours. It has a 2,700 pound operating capacity. It has a hydraulic attachment coupler, Bobcat ACS controls. That's standard Bobcat hand and foot or H pattern. This unit has heat and AC. It has the deluxe panel. It has premium suspension seat, 2-speed, and radio. It has auxiliary hydraulics, standard flow, 23 GPM, and high flow, 30 GPM.